Welcome to the last day of the Renaissance induction. Before we begin, we wanted to give a congratulations to both the boys and girls basketball team on their tremendous seasons. Also, congratulations to Coach Gimbalot and Coach Craig, who were both named Coach of the Year for all of Northeast Louisiana. Congratulations, teams and coaches. Now, the orchestra, sponsored by Miss Margrave, will perform It Is Well With My Soul by Philip Bliss and arranged by Sherry Margrave. The following students have attained the Renaissance Gold Card level. They have maintained all A's for the third 9 weeks. They will receive a gift from Not Just Pie, Sonic, Eskimos, Texas Roadhouse, and the chance to win a gift from Not Just Pie, Nukes, CC's Coffee House, and a $20 gift card from Tiger Market. The members of the Monroe business community, your parents, and the faculty, staff, and administration of Neville are proud of all your accomplishments. Congratulations again to all members of the Renaissance.
The winners of the gold raffle cards are Braden Winterman has won a free slice of pie from Not Just Pie. Kate Von Strauss has won a complimentary meal from Nukes. Claire Campbell has won a complimentary tall coffee from CC's Coffee House. And Joseph Butler has won a $20 gift card from Tiger Market. You may pick up your prize from Mrs. Bullock in her office. The winners of the teacher raffles are Mrs. Catherine Waters has won a $10 gift card from Magic Grill. Coach Chad Johnson has won a $20 gift card from Fieldhouse, and Mr. Cody Chase has won a $20 gift card from the Coffee Bean. You may pick up your prize from Mrs. Bullock in her office.
Good morning, Neville Nation. It's great to be back on the campus. I'm here today to recognize the teachers who are planning to retire this year. They are Mrs. Lisa Collins, Mrs. Susan Stewart, Mr. Michael Thompson, and Mrs. Sherry Tyler. You guys have devoted years to the development of these students, and I want to say thank you for your service. I'm just hoping that you are going to be as content in your retirement as I am in mine. I wish you the very best of everything. Congratulations. I'd also like to recognize Mr. Walt Smith, who's planning to return to his wife's homeland, Cambodia. I just want to say to the two of you, take care of each other and really be happy. Walt, will miss you over here, but I understand your wife's been here with you all these years. You need to take her home and just take care of her. All of you guys, be safe, be happy, and know Dr. Dawson loves you.
At this time, I'd like to recognize our Renaissance seniors for the class of 2021. We have some special coupons added to envelopes that include a free slice of pie from Not Just Pie, a $5 gift card from Starbucks, a $5 gift card from the Creamery, and a $10 gift card from Raising Cane's. And additionally, for our Renaissance Gold member seniors, a $10 gift card from Magic Grill. We would like to thank the members of the 2020-2021 Renaissance Steering Committee, Mrs. Booth, Mr. Chase, Mr. Don, Mr. Hanks, Mrs. Hinchliffe, Mrs. McPherson. Others who have worked behind the scenes for the Renaissance program are Ms. Bullock, Ms. Carlson, Ms. Kinney, and Ms. Woods. The Renaissance Committee would like to thank Will Anders for his help in creating the videos. We would also like to thank Mr. Hanks for his time and dedication in making our Renaissance program virtual. We would especially like to say thank you to all the local businesses for all of the donations we have received for Renaissance. We appreciate your generosity and support. These are the responses that the Renaissance members gave when asked. What will you likely remember the most 5 years from now about school during the COVID pandemic?